Year 5 and welcome to Tuesday spelling session with me, Miss Medlicott. In today's lesson we're going to be carrying on with the adverbials with an ear sound spelt E-R-E, and we're also going to practice our handwriting, so practicing the handwriting join for E-R-E. Okay, so here are your spellings: sincere, interfere, sphere, adhere, severe and persevere. And on the next slide, atmosphere, mere, hemisphere and austere. Okay. If you want to recap what those mean, please refer to yesterday's session. As I said, we're going to practice the handwriting join for these words, okay? So remember that they all have the ear sound spelt E-R-E. Let's take a look at how that handwriting join is formed. Okay, and on the screen we see the E-R-E join happening. So that's sped up. Let's try and slow it down slightly so you can see how it's happening. So taking our E from the bottom of the page, looping it round, back up to the line to start our R. Down nice and carefully, and then back round. Okay, see that again. Nice and slowly. Take your time with your handwriting, okay? It's nothing worse than rushing and then finding that actually you're making lots of mistakes and it's not as good as it could be. So just take your time. And let's see that third time. There we are, the R looping round to the E and then back round. Fantastic, good. Okay, we'll now see that with our first two spellings. So we're using that E-R-E join to write our first spelling, sincere. Right, here we go. So the S, it just went down a little bit too far, never mind. Trying very hard to keep it on the line. I'm looping the N round. And then remember it's a C. Good, so we're doing the curly cur, the C. And here we go for our E-R-E join. So notice the E's coming up and looping round. There's my R. And then I'm looping that round for the E. So there's my first word, sincere. And now for my next word, which is to interfere. Remember, sincere is when you make a sincere apology, it means you mean it. Interfere, if you interfere with something, it means you're coming in between something. If you interfere with somebody's conversation, it means you're getting involved when you shouldn't be. So here we are, back to the R. And I've got an F coming next. I loop it right up to the top line there, good. And back down. And I'm going to loop round now for my E-R-E, that ear sound. Good. And then finish it off, looping the E onto the line, nice and neatly. Good. And I dot my I and cross my T. And then for my next spellings, just to give you an example, the next spelling on the list was sphere. A sphere. We could talk about a marble being a spherical or sphere shape. Sphere. Oh, my P's just gone a little bit over the line. It's quite tricky for me with the mouse to try and draw this on the screen. I carry on, loop my H up, and then I'm going to take the E round. Good for my E-R-E ending, the ear sound. You're going to practice these spellings as well, following the rule there. Following the example. The next spelling, the last example I'll show you using the handwriting. But you've got how to do the ear sound join, the handwriting join. And my D goes up to the top there. The same with the H. Good. And I loop my H up. Yeah, that's it. Good. That was a better H actually, that one, because it goes up to the line. And here we have our E-R-E. So that's to adhere. So if you adhere to the rules, it means you're sticking to them. Okay. And then I finish my E. Good. Right, so I've demonstrated there how to do the handwriting join for the E-R-E. And also 4 of the spellings. So what I'd like you to do now is to have a go at practicing these spellings for yourself, as well as practicing the other spellings. So severe, persevere, atmosphere, mere, hemisphere and austere. Pause the video now to have a go. Okay, Year 5, very well done. To recap, so the E-R-E handwriting join, you had the demonstration. Please feel free to rewind that and continue practicing those handwriting joins and those spellings. A really good way of practicing your spellings is by writing them out over and over again. It's that repetition. Well done for all your effort today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!